Welcome Class 9 students. Ready to challenge your biology concepts? This SLO-based quiz covers Golgi apparatus and lysosomes, key organelles in the cell. Let's begin. Answer these in your head before they disappear. 1. What are cisternae and where are they found in a cell? 2. What is the main function of ribosomes? 3. Define autophagy and explain why it's important for the cell. Now let's test your memory with multiple choice questions. 1. Each ribosome consists of A. 1 large and 1 small, B. 2 large, C. 2 small, D. 3.2. The Golgi apparatus was discovered by A. Robert Hooke, B. Antony van Leeuwenhoek, C. Camillo Golgi, D. Matthias Schleiden. 3. The Golgi apparatus is present in A. Prokaryotic cells, eukaryotic cells, C. Bacterial cells, D. Viral cells, 4. The flattened sacs of the Golgi apparatus are called A. Thylakoids, B. Cristae, C. Cisternae, D. Vesicles, 5. Vesicles from the Golgi can move to A. Mitochondria, B. Chloroplasts, C. Lysosomes, D. Endoplasmic reticulum, 6. Lysosomes are synthesized on the A. Golgi apparatus, B. Smooth ERC, rough ERD, mitochondria. 7. Lysosomes contain A. Proteins, ETB, lipids, C. Digestive enzymes. Carbohydrates. 8. Lysosomes digest material taken in from the A. Cell membrane, B. Food, vacuole, C. Cytoplasm, D. Nucleus. 9. Respiration requiring oxygen occurs in A. Ribosomes, B. Lysosomes, C. Mitochondria, or C. Golgi apparatus. 10. Energy is an important theme in A. Botany, B. Zoology, C. Biology, D. Chemistry. Now a long-form challenge. Describe the structure and role of the Golgi apparatus in packaging and transporting materials. Also explain how lysosomes are formed, their digestive function, and the process of autophagy.
Great job! For more SLO-based quizzes, like and subscribe now. अगर आपने आज कुछ नया सीखा है तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट में अपना स्कोर ज़रूर बताएं और ऐसे मज़ीद ज़बरदस्त क्विज़ेस के लिए चैनल को अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें। क्लास नहम FBISE 2026 की मुकम्मल तैयारी सिर्फ उसी चैनल पर।